Hi guys! Today we will be making Asian spicy garlic chicken wings. Now let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need 24 pack of chicken wings washed and dried with a paper towel, 1 teaspoon of sugar mixed into 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 Thai chilies cut, 2 stalks of green onion sliced and the white separated from the green parts, 2 cloves of garlic minced. For the first step, you will need to fry your chicken wings for 8 minutes until crispy and golden brown and drained on a paper towel. After you've fried all your chicken wings, now we're going to stir fry them. We're going to add to our wok a teaspoon of oil, and then we're going to add our garlic, the Thai chilies, and the white parts of the green onion. And give it a stir. When the garlic turns brown slightly, we are going to add the chicken wings. And stir. So after 1 minute of mixing well, my garlic and my Thai chilies have become really fragrant. At this point, I'm going to add the oyster sauce and the fish sauce mixed with the sugar. And stir. After 30 seconds of mixing all the sauces, your chicken wings are done. Top with green onions and enjoy. And there you have it, guys. Asian spicy garlic chicken wings. And now it's time to give it a try. Yum! It's really crispy on the outside and moist on the inside, with just enough garlic, spices, and seasonings. I hope you and your family will enjoy.